Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's July 27th, about 12:04 in the afternoon, 2017. Look at this stuff. This is supposed to be clouds. We're supposed to believe that this is natural clouds here. Look at this stuff. Just straight up. I don't know if you can see it with that sun there, but look at that crap. Why does everything above me look like Don King's hair? Look at this stuff. There's nothing natural about any of this. I don't know how anybody's buying into this and just going on with their life saying, oh yeah, that's clouds. Look at it. There's no moisture in this stuff. It's dry. It's been dumped like powder. It's wisping out. It's spreading out. Look at this. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Dirtbags.